Today we're making a morning glory flower from pipe cleaners. Here's what the finished petal looks like. First, prepare 15 10 cm pipe cleaners and 5 full-length ones. Wrap one 10 cm piece around the center of a full-length pipe cleaner to secure it. Then attach 2 more 10 cm pieces snugly on each side. So you'll have 3 10 cm pieces attached in total. Bend the side pieces downward to create a curved shape. Now shape the pipe cleaners to form a bell-like curve like this. Apply glue at the base, pinch tight, and twist to secure. Trim off any excess pipe cleaner. Finally, use a flat iron to smooth out the petals. And that's one petal done. You'll need to make 5 petals total. Now let's make the sepals. Cut a full green pipe cleaner into 7.5 cm segments. Trim one end of each segment into a pointed shape. You can use a lighter to gently heat and refine the shape. Now let's make the center part. Take a small bunch of stamens and fold them in half. Glue them to the top of your flower stems. Time to attach the petals. First, curve all the petals outward. Apply glue to the base of a petal. Attach it around the stamens. Continue gluing the rest of the petals the same way. Make sure they lay evenly spaced and at the same height. After attaching, lightly heat the base with a lighter for a cleaner look. Now for the sepals. First, curve each sepal nicely. Glue them evenly around the base of the flowers. Similarly, heat the base lightly with a lighter. Now let's join the petals together. Apply glue to the side of each petal and press it to the next one. Now add a deep purple color to the flower center. Blend it outward to create a soft gradient. Finally, wrap the stems with floral tape. And your pipe cleaner morning glory is complete.